Hello, this is James, and I'll be showing you how to move photos into VizRef as well as using Procreate and VizRef at the same time. First off, you go into VizRef, and then you press the blue plus at the top right corner to create a new folder. I named it Plants as an example. As you can tell, it's empty when you first go into it, so now I will go into Chrome and get a picture. When you find the photo that you like, press onto it until this appears, and then press copy image, and then wait till it's done copying. Go back into VizRef, and then go to plants, and then press the blue button at the bottom left, press paste to clipboard, and there you have it. So now I show you how to open Procreate and VizRef at the same time. So first, I open Procreate, then after resizing my canvas, I swipe up, and then as you can see, VizRef is right there. So you press down and hold it, and then not letting go, you drag it, and then you slide it to the left until you see this blur effect happen, then you let go, and now you have both VizRef and Procreate open at the same time. You can re-change the size of VizRef with the bar in the middle. So there's two things you can do, which is, the first one, you can use the image directly off of VizRef by just zooming into it, or if you press onto the image, then to the three dots on the bottom right, you can press copy, go into Procreate, go to this little wrench settings button, press paste, and then you'll have the image. The only thing I neglected to show was how to delete a folder, in which you just press select the one you want to delete, and then press the red trash can. I think that's about it, but I'll keep a lookout for any new features, and thank you for watching.